Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten. Today we delve into how retrieval-augmented generation is enhancing AI reliability, the role of entrepreneurial thinking in education for innovation, and AI's impact on traditional software companies transitioning to platform-based models. Join us as we explore these transformative topics. What if I told you that the brilliance behind chatbots and AI-driven customer service tools could be significantly improved, reducing the instances where they provide information that's not just incorrect, but convincingly so? This is where retrieval-augmented generation, RAG, steps in, offering a robust solution to the shortcomings of large language models, LLMs, like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Today, we will explore why RAG is rapidly becoming the go-to method for enhancing the accuracy and reliability of generative AI, Gen AI applications. At the heart of the issue with current LLMs is their tendency to hallucinate, providing answers that, while grammatically correct, are factually inaccurate or completely fabricated. This is largely because these models are static. They are trained on a fixed dataset that becomes outdated almost the moment the training is complete. For instance, ChatGPT's training data ends in September 2021, meaning it's unaware of any developments or information that emerged after that date. This limitation severely impacts the model's ability to provide up-to-date or domain-specific information, making it less useful for applications that rely on current data or specialized knowledge. Enter retrieval-augmented generation. RAG addresses these critical flaws by integrating external, up-to-date data at the time of query, ensuring the information provided is both current and relevant. This dynamic addition of information allows Gen AI applications to significantly reduce the occurrence of hallucinations and boost overall performance. But how exactly does RAG work? Imagine a customer asking a support chatbot about the latest features of a product. With RAG, instead of relying solely on its pre-trained data, the chatbot can pull in current product information from an external database. This means the chatbot's responses can include the most recent updates, specifications, and even stock availability. The process involves two key steps. First, identifying the context or specific information needed to answer the query, and second, generating a response based on both the pre-trained model's knowledge and the newly retrieved data. The benefits of RAG go beyond just providing accurate, up-to-date information. It also enhances the transparency and auditability of Gen AI applications. By integrating external data sources, RAG enables these applications to cite the sources of their information, much like how research papers provide citations. This feature is particularly valuable in fields like law or healthcare, where verifying the accuracy of provided information is crucial. Despite its advantages, one might wonder why every Gen AI application isn't already using RAG. The answer primarily lies in the challenges and costs associated with implementing such a system. Setting up and maintaining an up-to-date external database, ensuring the seamless integration with LLMs, and managing the additional computational requirements can be daunting tasks. However, with the development of specialized vector databases like Pinecone, which are designed to facilitate fast and efficient data retrieval, implementing RAG is becoming more accessible. Moreover, RAG presents a more cost-effective solution compared to other methods aimed at enhancing LLM performance, such as creating custom foundation models or extensive fine-tuning. The latter approaches not only require significant financial and human resources, but also entail ongoing maintenance efforts to keep the models relevant and accurate. In real-world applications, companies are already leveraging RAG to improve their Gen AI services. For example, IBM's Watsonx platform incorporates RAG to provide more accurate, reliable, and verifiable responses in its AI and data solutions. This capability is proving particularly useful in customer service chatbots, where providing accurate, up-to-date information is paramount. In conclusion, retrieval-augmented generation represents a significant step forward in our quest to harness the full potential of generative AI. By addressing the inherent limitations of LLMs, Raj not only improves the accuracy and reliability of AI-driven applications, but also opens up new possibilities for their use in various industries. As technology continues to evolve, Raj will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping the future of AI, making it an exciting area for both developers and businesses alike. And now, pivot our discussion towards learn entrepreneurship. What if I told you that the most innovative and successful ideas often come from thinking that is counterintuitive, challenging the very assumptions and accepted wisdom we've been taught to embrace? How do we foster this entrepreneurial mindset that continually questions, innovates, and solves problems in a world that seems to prioritize conformity and memorization over creativity and critical thinking? This is the crux of our discussion today, where we delve into the importance of nurturing entrepreneurial thinking for both children and adults alike. At the heart of entrepreneurial thinking is a sense of curiosity and a willingness to explore the unknown. Traditional education systems, with their focus on rote learning and standardized testing, often stifle this natural curiosity. Students are rewarded for regurgitating information rather than questioning it or thinking creatively. This raises a critical question. How can we cultivate an environment that nurtures rather than suppresses the entrepreneurial spirit? Consider the story of a child whose curiosity was allowed to flourish. This child wasn't confined to a rigid learning structure. Instead, they were encouraged to explore a variety of interests, be it video games, gymnastics, or joining debating competitions. This unstructured exploration is the essence of what education should be about: fun, tailored to individual interests, and most importantly, conducive to developing independent thinking. Unfortunately, the reality for most students is quite different. The educational system tends to funnel students into narrow academic disciplines, limiting their perspectives and stifling innovation. It's a system that produces experts who are often so specialized that they're unable to see beyond the confines of their own fields. Yet history shows us that real innovation comes from the intersection of diverse domains of knowledge. The technical advances in computers, for example, relied not just on the expertise of electrical engineers, but also on the theoretical insights of mathematicians. The importance of a broad foundation of knowledge cannot be overstated. Pioneering thinkers like Charles Darwin and Leonardo da Vinci excelled because they were able to make connections across disciplines. This broad foundation allowed them to build new conceptual frameworks, leading to groundbreaking innovations. It's a powerful reminder that expertise in a single domain often blinds individuals to unconventional possibilities, while a more generalized knowledge base fosters creativity and innovation. This brings us to the value of liberal arts education, which seems more relevant today than ever before. Unlike specialized education, liberal arts expose students to a variety of thinking modes and areas of study, fostering a flexibility of mind that is essential for innovation. It's interesting to note that some of the most successful companies were founded not by software engineers, but by individuals with liberal arts backgrounds. Their diverse experiences allowed them to envision possibilities that went beyond the technical limitations of programming. So how do we reclaim this entrepreneurial thinking in our own lives? It starts with giving ourselves permission to wonder and wander, to engage in unplanned activities that spark creativity. From taking random walks to indulging in unstructured conversations, these idle moments are crucial for challenging unconscious assumptions and fostering breakthrough ideas. It's about balancing disciplined work with freewheeling exploration, nurturing a beginner's mind while applying expertise. In conclusion, the path to innovation and success isn't linear. It's a meandering journey that requires a balance between focused effort and the freedom to explore. By embracing our intrinsic interests, taking risks unconstrained by preconceived outcomes, and allowing our minds to wander down unconventional paths, we can unlock the entrepreneurial thinking that leads to true innovation. It's a lesson not just for childhood, but for life. Seeing the world afresh every day is the key to creating something truly remarkable. Now let's explore how the rise of AI challenges traditional business models, pushing companies towards innovative platform-based strategies. Welcome to today's episode, where we delve into a burning question that's been on the minds of many within the tech sector. As AI rapidly advances, is it signaling an extinction-level event for existing software companies? This topic, which is both fascinating and somewhat alarming, highlights the transformative power of AI in the software industry and how it's reshaping the landscape for both newcomers and legacy platforms. The integration of AI into software development isn't just enhancing the capabilities of applications, it's drastically reducing the costs of production. This seismic shift is posing a significant threat to traditional software platforms that fail to harness the power of AI. The once formidable moats protecting these legacy platforms are quickly evaporating, leaving them vulnerable to obliteration by agile newcomers. These new entrants, armed with AI, are capable of launching products that rival or even surpass those of established companies in a fraction of the time and with significantly smaller engineering teams. The narrative of companies that have taken years and millions of dollars to build being dismantled so rapidly is a testament to the disruptive force of AI. However, the story doesn't end with the demise of legacy software companies. The intense competition fostered by the lowering barriers to software production is leading to a crash in software product prices. Consider the functionalities of modern platforms like Dropbox, Airtable, or Figma, and imagine their worth 2 decades ago compared to the value of basic word processing software at the time. This plummeting cost, while beneficial for consumers, spells trouble for software product companies, making the market less lucrative due to heightened competition. In navigating these turbulent waters, the emphasis shifts from developing mere products to building platforms. But what exactly sets a platform apart in this context? It's a system that thrives on the proprietary data, distribution, and development, collectively referred to as the 3 Ds. These platforms grow stronger with each interaction, leveraging data network effects, customer network effects, and the attraction of third-party developers to create a self-sustaining ecosystem. This model has historically proven to be far more valuable than that of standalone product companies, offering significant advantages in cost, performance, and profitability. Yet, in the age of AI, the focus on platforms takes on a new dimension. While AI is rapidly commoditizing technical products, it hasn't quite penetrated the networks that platforms establish. These networks, whether based on data, distribution, or development, remain the last line of defense against the commoditization wave. It's these networks that create and maintain value, making them critical for software companies to protect and nurture. The story gets even more intriguing when we consider the untapped potential within specific verticals like insurance, supply chain, commerce enablement, and energy. These sectors, still in the early stages of digital transformation, offer fertile ground for platforms to establish dominant positions. By leveraging AI, companies within these verticals can accelerate their capture of the market, building their customer and partner networks at unprecedented speeds. As we explore the impact of AI on the software industry, it's clear that the narrative is not solely about technological advancement, but also about strategic adaptation. The transition from product-centric models to platform-based approaches represents a critical pivot for companies aiming to thrive in this new era. For investors and entrepreneurs alike, the AI-driven platform expansion within key markets represents not just a challenge, but a monumental opportunity. So, as we ponder the future of software companies in the age of AI, let's remember, in a world where products are increasingly commoditized, the real value lies in building and nurturing networks. It's those networks that will define the winners and losers in the ongoing technological evolution. In the age of AI, the mantra is clear: Build platforms, not just products. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlight Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.